Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password for your EveryDollar account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the EveryDollar app on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will end up within your homepage, from which if you wish to change your password, just click on the profile icon at the top right corner. Then click on Settings at the bottom. And now you can tap on Manage Account. You may be asked to enter your email address and password once again, so type in those for confirmation, and now you will be taken into your account settings page. From this page, you will find the password section as well as the Change Password button. Go ahead and click on it, and you will be asked to enter your current password in order to verify your identity. After typing in your current password, tap on the Verify Password button, and now you will be allowed to enter your desired new password. Just type in your desired new password and then enter the same password once again for confirmation, and now you can finally tap on the Save Password button. And now your password has been changed successfully. You can go back to your account and continue to use the application, and in the future you will be able to log into your account using this password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on the EveryDollar application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, ring that notification bell to stay up to date on future uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.